Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Whoa, yeah, yeah, yo, yeah, yo. Bitch, I'm about to way up, way up. After this flip, I'm gonna be way up, way up. I can chase a bitch, I'm chasing paper, paper. Heavy in this game, I got my weight up, and I mean way up. Bitch, I'm about to way up, way up. After this flip, I'm gonna be way up, way up. I can chase a bitch, I'm chasing paper, paper. Heavy in this game, I got my weight up, and I mean way up. Bitch, I'm about to way up. I'm the GOAT when it come to.
Alright, welcome to Electric Elevation. Today we have our guests, CNC, the White Bottle Boys, Kilo, Topside.
What's the deal?
Alright, so why don't y'all go ahead and start and tell me a little bit about yourselves individually first, and then we'll talk about y'all as a group. You can go ahead and start.
I'm Topside, I'm an independent artist. We started a label together, me and my cousin and my manager. And that's it.
What's the name of the label you started?
Cash and Carry, CNC.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when did y'all start it?
We started it 5 years ago, and we're just not getting everything off the ground right now.
Okay.
So about 2015 we started everything, and now we're just getting everything off the ground.
Okay. Y'all have any other artists on the label as well?
No, it's just us two right now.
Okay. Alright, Kilo.
Kilograms, Cash and Carry, White Bottle Boy. We trying to start a movement where we started a foundation. Now it's time to build up. Like you said, we started 5 years ago. Slowed down a little bit, but now it's time to kick back in. Do the beats, graphics, all that.
What would y'all say y'all learned from 5 years ago to now? Well, what y'all would do differently?
The business part.
Business, yeah, that's the main part. Cause anybody can do.
Anybody can rap. Anybody can go to a studio or whatever. But if you ain't getting paid for it, or you ain't actually seeing no money off of it, yeah, it's pointless.
Waste of time.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what area from y'all born and raised in Detroit?
Born and raised in Detroit, off the east side.
Okay.
And
Rain.
Yep. And we actually blood cousins, which a lot of people don't know.
Okay.
We're blood cousins, so just keeping everything family oriented.
Okay. How old were you when you first started rapping?
Probably like 15.
Okay. You, Kilo?
Actually, I was doing the beats first. It started off drawing pictures. That's how I ended up rapping. It started off as drawing pictures. Then it went to beats. Then it went to writing. So it all came.
Do you still draw now?
Yeah.
That's
that ain't
what's
gonna never end.
Okay. Okay. Now, do you guys like to freestyle the most or write your music? Or both? A little bit of both?
Yeah, a little bit of both. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, everybody want to hear a freestyle here and there. So you definitely got to know how to freestyle a little.
You always got to keep good content as far as music. Music, I feel like you should write at all times because you keep your content and what you actually saying good versus just rapping and just rapping about anything. Because after a minute, it just becomes blah, blah, blah. You know?
Okay. Now, what would you guys say sets you apart from other artists about your music?
Versatile.
Yeah, we not
different.
Yeah, we just not in one lane as far as what we talk about and actually the type of music that we put out. You know, it's not all, everything is not all up tempo. Everything is not twerking music. Everything, you know, we got just a little something for everybody.
Definitely got to be diverse when it comes to
music. More diverse than the average artist.
So basically, y'all saying y'all got riding music when you want to ride and chills, music when you want to smoke, and music when you want to turn up.
When you want to ballroom, whatever.
Yeah.
We got it all.
So, what was your favorite artist, old school and now? I'm gonna ask both of y'all that.
Old school will probably be 50 Cent. New school will probably be. It's a lot of good ones. I'll probably say Drake.
What about you, Kilo? Old school and all?
Old school, probably go with my boy Eminem.
Okay.
I have to go with him. New school, if you
Yeah.
When I say old school, I mean further back. Like
Further
LL
back?
Cool J and people
Oh,
like them.
LL Cool J, he the
Rakim,
goat.
people
That
like
was
them.
that's too. That's
That's
hard.
hard.
You gotta get a 5 for that one.
You put it like that, Rakim, like that. That's the furthest they go back.
Yeah.
Okay. What Detroit artists would you like to work with?
I'll probably say Big Sean and M.
Okay.
I definitely want to do something with Biz.
Okay.
Peasy when he get out.
Okay.
Definitely PZ.
Free my nigga.
So on you guys' project that you just released, how many songs is on there?
It's actually my project,
Okay.
and we got 10 songs getting released on there.
Okay.
We got 6 singles, 4 fillers. So
Okay.
we giving the people more of singles than actual just fillers for the album.
Okay. So have y'all did a song yet with a female artist?
We did one with a female artist. Sometimes.
Not singing, like rapping.
Oh no,
Not yet.
nobody rapping.
Okay.
Nobody rapping yet. Nope.
We definitely looking for her. Rap she is.
So
We got a singer.
what's a female artist in the city that y'all like?
I like
Dej Low.
Dave.
And what about Underground?
What's the deal?
I like Rocky.
You
Rocky
like
Bad.
Rocky? What's the one girl? She be kind of promoting. She be everywhere. Dior. Tay
I'll
D.
take Dior.
Tay
Okay.
Dior.
Yeah,
Yeah, she nice.
I rock with Tay.
Okay.
She nice.
Okay. So what's the hardest part about this music industry to y'all?
I would say getting the music actually to the people.
Getting it everywhere. That's the
Yeah.
hardest part.
Okay.
You gotta spend a lot of money to do it. You gotta have a lot of schemes for people to even notice it. That's probably one of the hardest parts.
And trying to stay independent at the same time.
Now, do y'all feel that, like in Detroit, that a lot of people that are rapping are clicked up, and like certain people only mess with certain people or try to mess with who they think is popular? Or do y'all that don't bother?
No, I think the patterns itself, as far as being actually on tracks, is like the same.
Mm-hmm.
Is what we don't get a lot of people actually signed out of our area, out of Detroit, because
You think the sound is the same?
the sound is the same.
Mhm.
So you got to think of, just say like this. Say like if you got $250,000, right?
Right.
So somebody else that got $500,000 or $1 million, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they're taking bigger steps than what you taking with your 250,000, right? So they had already been in the different record labels and everything. And then when you say they from Detroit, you say you from Detroit. Now the record labels then heard so much of these $500,000 and $1 million guys, right?
Mm-hmm.
Who they rejected? Who they actually rejected, right?
Mm-hmm.
They actually reject these people. They hearing the same type of quality of music. They hearing the same type of pattern. So it make them actually not want to mess with Detroit artists.
Okay. What's your take on that, Kilo?
I mean, pretty much basically the same thing. Yep. They just, you gotta make different music. Like, Don't nobody notice you if you sound just like
Everybody.
Right.
You feel me? They see a different face, but you sound just like y'all copying off each other. Or stealing each other's style. Like,
Right, don't get me wrong, it worked for here.
yeah, it worked for here for
So
sure.
we branching out and going to
Go
other
out,
cities.
yeah. You can't go out to Atlanta and New York and just
And expect them to love you the same way.
yeah, ain't gonna be the same.
But it's a catch
Even though they
20.
like Detroit music, certain places,
Yeah.
they love Detroit music, but they want to hear something different.
Right.
They want to hear that you from Detroit and not be able to tell
Yeah.
that you actually from Detroit.
But it's a catch 20 to that too, because sometimes you might not get no love in your city, and you might go to Atlanta and New York and they love
Love
you.
you, yeah.
Sure.
So
Definitely. That's one of the major things. Like, everybody gotta stop hating on each other.
right, and stick together more
And
here.
stick together.
Right.
Share each other music. All that.
So what is what's one of the first cities when y'all start going to other cities performing that y'all want to hit?
Atlanta, they turn, Texas. It's a lot. LA, Phoenix.
Yeah. That's a few of them.
Okay. So where do you see yourself as a group in the next 5 years?
Well, I
as
wouldn't
a
call
label.
us. Yeah, I wouldn't so much call us a group. I call us a label more than a group.
Okay.
And a label in 5 years, we just continually finding new talent and dropping a lot of new music and staying relevant.
We really want Cash and Curry to be like a household name. Like everybody know Cash and Curry.
Yeah.
Like they know Sada Baby or
Rockefeller.
Bezo or just they name, period. Yeah.
So if some artists wanted to submit some music to you guys, do they just send it to your email, or how do y'all take submissions?
Yeah, it'd be mainly email or it'd be in my DM or
Yeah.
send
Mainly
me your
the
email
DMs.
so I can send you know.
So what clarify, like, what type of artists are y'all looking for?
Female artists right now, basically,
I mean, somebody
Like,
who could do it both. Yeah, who could do it both, yeah.
Kind of on the same page we on. You know?
Yeah, it don't matter if it's female or male, actually, because
so would y'all prefer a female rapper that had more substance, that had more lyrics, or was rapping more about sex and drinking and fucking?
no,
So y'all
I
want
mean,
somebody-
sex sells.
right? But do y'all want a female with some lyrics?
I want her to be
too,
able to
but-
do both.
Okay.
She got to be able
She
to
definitely gotta
sing
be able
and
to
rap.
make a song,
Yeah, a good one.
not just the lyrics. The lyrics count, but they gotta be a
Complete
song.
package. Right.
You can make a song just rapping all bars, but it gotta be a song.
Yeah.
Something that can get played on the radio. You feel me? Something like that.
Just a versatile of music.
Yeah.
Now that can be male or female.
Something that's gonna be pinpointed. Like, damn, she called. You feel me?
Yeah, that could
Gonna
be
catch
male
your
or
attention quick.
Okay. So next we're gonna play like 2 of y'all songs. The song that's out now is Way Up, right?
Way Up,
That's your
yep.
first song. Okay. And then the second one is 365.
Yes.
Okay. 1 second. Now I seen the video. The video was nice.
Yeah, we put
Thank
a lot
you.
of time and money.
Yeah, time, work, and money.
Yeah.
And then the whole project is out now though, right?
No, just the single Way Up.
Okay, just only Way Up. Okay, let's play Way Up.
Go get it everywhere right now. All streaming platforms.
For real. Now.
Run them numbers up. Go on YouTube. Check out the video. Way Up. WEIGHUP.
Yeah. hey,
I gotta hold y'all
hey,
power.
yeah. Bitch, I'm about to way up. After this flip, I'm gonna be way up. I can chase a bitch, I'm chasing paper. Heavy in this game, I got my weight up. And I be way up. Bitch, I'm about to way up. After this flip, I'm gonna be way up. I can chase a bitch, I'm chasing paper. Heavy in this game, I got my weight up. And I be way up. Bitch, I'm about to way up. I'm the go when it come to push and blow. In the streets, you a sheep or a wolf. I don't ride no waves, I just try to boat. And judging by the drip, I'm captain of the ship. I get it by the cake, sell it by the O's. Foreign whips, 40 with extended clips. Don't take no days off, yeah, I'm 24. I'm a boss now, and I'm super rich. My team follow suit, we pushing heavy loads. We moving all the work before I'm on command. My plug double up, give me an overload. I stretch my operations from Detroit to Flint. Sent the crew to land, send a second now. One to Mesquite and one to MC, bitch. I put him in position to all finally ball. And I became the governor of Michigan. Way up. After this flip, I'm gonna be way up. I can chase a bitch, I'm chasing paper. Heavy in this game, I got my weight up. And I be way up. Bitch, I'm about to way up. After this flip, I'm gonna be way up. I can chase a bitch, I'm chasing paper. Heavy in this game, I got my weight up. And I be way up. I'ma cook it up and dry it, cut it, push it all out to the public. I just talk a lot of money, spend 1,000 like it's nothing. Up late nights cause I stayed up, I was down on the way up. If you come short, better pay up. In the race, they be yellow weight up cause I'm running shit. I'm still sitting on top while you niggas under shit. I got married to the game cause I'm in love with it. I travel with it for a reason so I can double it. Throw dust for the fuck of it. Cross over to the other side of the street cause I done ran in it. All the money I've been touching is so dirty but my hands in it. They ain't like my verse cause they ain't know what I was saying in it. Y'all niggas so square just like a sandbox, no sand in it. If I get caught, never say much. You quick a nigga, never straight up. Don't sleep on me, better wake up. I'ma dunk on me, you a layup. Niggas talking sales when I'm talking scales. I hope you eating good, cause nigga, we bout to way up. After this flip, I'm gonna be way up. I can chase a bitch, I'm chasing paper. Heavy in this game, I got my weight up. And I mean way up. Bitch, I'm about to way up. After this flip, I'm gonna be way up. I can chase a bitch, I'm chasing paper. Heavy in this game, I got my weight up. And I mean way up. Bitch, I'm about to way up.
Okay, then we got one more. 365. Okay, I like that. I like that.
Explains it all.
So, how did y'all feel when y'all first heard it, like, and playing in the club and all that?
It felt good. Yeah.
Good, alright, y'all work. Okay.
Our work definitely pays off.
Definitely.
Yeah. Take it back.
White Bottle Boys.
And I'm promised to roll 365 days in a year. I want the same old dough.
It's 365. Elevation Radio.
All I wanna do is sell my dope to you. I want the same old dough. Hey, and I promise to roll 365 days in a year. I want the same old dough. Hey. Top side, SO. Everybody know I'm from the east side. Detroit, D-boy. I've been pushing work since knee high. Remember the very first kilo? I thought moving it would take long. Plug in the car for the re-up. The rest of the day I can make more. I wake up every day, turn the scale on. Before I lay down, man, the work gone. I'm really good in every hood, nigga. I can go where other niggas can't go. I'm your big homie. Cause I keep the ticket low, dog. This one on my Franklins. I'm such a milli before snowfall. And I promise to roll 365 days in a year. I want the same old dough. Hey, hey, all I wanna do is sell my dope to you. I want the same old dough. Hey, hey, and I promise to roll 365 days in a year. I want the same old dough. Same old dope, nigga. Hey.
Let's go, Key.
These po niggas for show niggas, they hoe niggas. Bitches for the bread, getting attached to gold diggers. Calling them my amigo, pay the low for the kilo. Wrists on Rocky, shades buffing and Debo. Black of the berry and the sweet of the juice. I be talking facts on tracks when I speak in the booth. CNC ill, this the season we catching the flu. We so cold, nigga, we catching the flu. Let me tell you what I think about in the mind of a hustler. Back in the day, I was once down on my knuckles, sitting in spots with a sack, hoping to bubble. The credit was due on the first, they gave me double. Even when the rain, I'ma always see a brighter day. Going through the pain, got me drinking like a pint a day. Never get a hook, the real name of your road dog. Sitting in that cage, you can't get another phone call. And I promise to roll 365 days in a year. I want the same old dough. Same old, same old, same old, same old dough. All I wanna do is sell my dope to you. I want the same old dough. Same old, same old, same old, same old dough. And I promise to roll 365 days in a year. I want the same old dough. Same old, same old, same old, same old dough. All I wanna do, hey, I want the same old dough. Hey, and I promise to roll 365 days in a year. I want the same old dough. All I wanna do, sell my dope to you. I want the same old dough.
Appreciate you, my dog. Appreciate you, my dog.
Alright, one time for the White Bottle Boys.
Hey. Tap in.
Alright, so shout out to our social media tags.
Soldier underscore.
On what?
Hold on. It's Blockboy underscore Soldier 80 baby on Instagram. Blockboy underscore Soldier 80 baby Instagram.
Kilograms underscore KEYLOGRAMZ 2 underscores. Go follow me.
Right now. Go follow my Instagram right now. Run it up.
Yeah.
What's your podcast? What's your...
At Electric Elevation. ELECTRICELEVATION. And on YouTube, Electric Elevation Podcast.
Tap in.
Tap in.
Yeah.
Peace.